Brett here, and today I'm going to show you how to put a sound effect. I'm going to have a couple different ones on the screen here to your videos or to your YouTube shorts, TikToks, Instagram Reels videos, however you want it. Let's jump in. Okay, so right here I'm in the v.io editor. I'll have a link in the description for that. And I believe this is a free feature, so you can sign up for free and use this. So once you're logged in, you've got your video put in here, and let's just say we're going to do a short. So you have whatever video you're trying to do. It's a full length video. Maybe you're clipping from a podcast or something that you've put in here. All you have to do is select short to give it that 9:16, and let's play it here. And by the way, you're not going to hear the sound in this video, but it's playing off my screen. So that's looks pretty let's see here. So first thing, it's not quite centered. So I want to move this over a bit, and then we can center it better. Okay, then in the left over here, go to elements, and you're going to have all types of elements. You can check out my other video on the progress bars. Today we're doing sound waves. So let's say you want to have the sound wave in right there. You can change the color of it. There's different, you can select all the different styles from right here, as you can see. Let's start with this one and then play it. So that's really cool. That's especially if you're making shorts and trying to capture people's attentions. I think this is a great way to help. That one's interesting. And you can also animate them. So if you're, like I said, doing this for shorts, I like this one. Let's make it red, all the way red. Play it. And let's say we want to also throw in an animation. There's a bunch of different animations for when it comes in, when it's out, or loop animations. So the bounce, if you're really trying to bring attention to it, heartbeat could be interesting. So many different cool effects with this that are modern animations. Some of them aren't as modern, but a lot of these are like this gentle float. In some cases, maybe I like the, let's see, so float, because it's kind of changing. Zoom in can be good. I like the pop. But then of course there's no sound the first few seconds, so you don't see much of a pop. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel and subscribe for more V tutorials and about becoming a content creator or making content for your business. Thanks for watching.